sorry for the way that I look. I really did not want to put makeup on just for an intro, so excuse this look. So I'm going to be unboxing my June PR. Oh gosh. Hey, excuse me. Anyways, with these unboxings, I want to show you guys if I contacted the brand or if the brand contacted me. So I will be kind of labeling which unboxings I got contacted and which brands contacted me, just so then you guys will have a good idea of how it works, because a lot of them contact me, but sometimes I contact them as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below. So this first package is from Korres, and they were so kind to gift me 3 items. This one is their Hydra Biome mask, which I really enjoy. Next is their Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream, and then the last thing they gifted me was the Foaming Cream Cleanser. The next package is from Good Molecules, which I have been dying to try them. They were so kind to send me 4 items. I was actually very shocked that they sent me so many items, and I actually contacted them too, so they were super generous. And please ignore my nails. They need to be done pronto. So they gifted me this niacinamide brightening toner, which I really do enjoy. This actually has no smell, which really surprised me, but I do like that. Next is their niacinamide serum, and personally I really do enjoy niacinamide. I do notice that it helps my skin a lot. Next, they gifted me with this squalane oil, which I've only tried once, and it also has no smell, which I am really picky about smells, and I love that it has no scent. The next thing they gifted me with is this silicone-free priming moisturizer, which I have not tried, but it looks amazing. Thank you, Good Molecules. Next PR package is from Skint Annex. They actually reached out to me to try some of their vitamin C products, which I happily said yes. Unfortunately, some of their vitamin C toner kind of spilled out of the package, as you can see, so I was a little disappointed about that, but it's totally okay because their products are pretty amazing. So they gifted me with this vitamin C toner and this vitamin C facial cream, which feels amazing, and they're both unscented, which, you know, I'm all about the smells. So next PR is from Pixi, which totally shook me because I didn't even expect this package at all, and I'm just super stoked that they just sent me a few goodies. So this theme was kind of like a summer festival vibe, so that is why they sent this clear fanny pack, which is super cute. They sent over a makeup primer and then this really pretty glittery makeup palette, which I don't know if I'll ever really use. Maybe when I'm feeling experimental. This really bright lip gloss, and then some makeup cleansing wipes. I usually don't use makeup cleansing wipes, but we will see about these. And then at the end, there's this card talking about, you know, the festival theme, and then they also sent some cute tattoos. The next gifts are from Krave Beauty, which was super exciting for me. I love Krave, but these two I have not tried before. They sent over Great Barrier Relief Serum for me, and then the Beat Shield SPF. Thank you, Krave Beauty, for sending me these. I am loving it. So super grateful for all of the brands that have sent me things. I hope you guys enjoy these unboxings because I feel like they're just so fun to watch and to film. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below for me, or you can always reach me at my Skint Instagram, which I always put it in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.